All right, this is the Foxtune 360-degree swivel bucket seat. Comes in 6 or 8 different colors, your typical standard colors, and I think there's a flower print and a camo print that it comes in. This is one of those items that I never knew I needed until now. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. So it came packaged great. It arrived in a box and it was just wrapped in plastic. You cut the plastic off and you're ready to go. The bucket seat itself is super lightweight. It weighs just under 1.5 pounds, and it's designed to fit a standard 5-gallon bucket with a diameter between 11 and 11.8 inches. It is about 12 inches this way, and it is about 2 inches thick overall. The bottom tray is made from a reinforced ABS material here, and there is some pretty durable feeling Oxford fabric over top of some EVA memory foam. There's a handle on here, so it's easy to carry or hang up somewhere when you're done. Right here, I have a typical 5-gallon bucket. I want to point out that if you have a handle on the bucket, it will go over the cushion part here, so you can carry the bucket with the cushion on there. Just make sure to put the handle toward the back. For instance, like this. It goes on there, and it comes off there very easily. It fits very snugly onto the bucket, but you're not going to be able to carry a bucket that's full of tools with the handle because it'll just come right off on there. I am 6'2", 240, and the padding feels great to me. Now I'm 250. Absolutely no issues at all with swiveling or turning. So there you go. I can think of a ton of uses for this. I used to work for the phone company. This would have been great to have back then. Obviously, this would be good for the trades, for painters, drywallers, maybe good for hunters. Good for storing your fishing gear in and then sitting on and fishing. Sports gear, gardening in the backyard, put your garden tools in here, sit down, you can do your work, or just for projects around the house. Very cool idea. I like it.